The demand for efficient, compact, and energy-saving water heaters is rising as homeowners look for reliable hot water solutions. From tankless systems to recirculation kits, the market offers various options for every need. In this guide, we evaluate each product based on heating performance, installation ease, energy efficiency, durability, and smart features, helping you choose the best hot water heater for your home or business. List number: New Rinnai RX199IN Condensing Smart Sense Natural Gas or Propane Tankless Water Heater. The Rinnai RX199IN offers premium, on-demand hot water with unmatched energy efficiency. This condensing tankless water heater runs on either natural gas or propane and can be installed indoors or outdoors. With its Smart Sense technology, the RX199IN adjusts performance to meet real-time demand, ensuring you're not wasting energy. It delivers a robust 11 GPM gallons per minute. List number 2. GE Appliances 10-gallon versatile plug-and-play electric water heater. Perfect for small spaces and quick installations, the GE Appliances 10-gallon plug-and-play electric water heater is a compact and efficient solution for supplemental hot water. Whether you're installing it under a sink, in a garage, or a mobile setup, this unit is user-friendly and highly versatile. The adjustable thermostat lets you control water temperature precisely. List number 18 kilowatt tankless water heater electric Orbeck 240 volt on-demand instant hot water heater. The Orbeck 18 kilowatt electric tankless water heater is a powerhouse for medium to large homes. Operating on 240 volt, it heats water instantly without the need for a storage tank, saving both space and energy. With its sleek touchscreen interface and adjustable temperature settings. List more. Watts Heat H2O Hot Water Recirculation System with Programmable Timer. The Watts Heat H2O Recirculation System is an innovative solution for instant hot water without waiting. Compatible with most water heaters, it includes a programmable timer and sensor valve, ensuring hot water is always available at your faucet while reducing water waste. The installation is DIY friendly, often requiring no additional piping, and the system pays for itself with energy and water savings over time. List 5. Sediment Buster Water Heater Tool UL Verified V699054. Flushes, cleans, drains. While not a water heater itself, the Sediment Buster is an essential maintenance tool for prolonging the life and performance of any water heater. This UL verified tool flushes out sediment buildup that can cause inefficiency, overheating, and premature failure. Compatible with most tank water heaters.